Did you know that the Hausa tribe is the most populous in West Africa, with a population of over 70 million? The Hausas are one of the largest ethnic groups in West Africa. They are a people of diverse cultural practices with similar homogeneous beliefs and customs, exclusively found among their people. Here is everything you need to know about their diversity. The Hausas are concentrated mainly in the northern part of Nigeria, as well as the adjoining southeastern Niger. They also populate parts of other countries including Cameroon, Ghana, Chad, Togo, Senegal, Côte d'Ivoire, Sudan and Gabon. The Hausa states, also known as the Hausaland, were independent political entities founded by the Hausa people and situated between the river Niger and Lake Chad. It was a political entity with no central authority, isolated up until the mid-14th century. Irrespective of their placements, they had a common language, laws and customs. The Hausas specialized in blacksmithing, fishing, hunting, agriculture and salt mining. By around the 1500s, the northern city of Kano had become the most powerful and was a major trading center in ivory, gold, slave trade, salt, clothes, leather, and grains. Due to their lack of military expertise and a central governing body, they were regarded as loose alliances by the neighboring towns, which made them prone to external domination. All the states remained independent until they were conquered by a prominent Islamic scholar, Usman Dan Fodio, in a holy jihad war between 1804 and 1815, which created the Sokoto Caliphate. It was later abolished when the British defeated the Caliphate in 1903 and named the area Northern Nigeria. Relatives cooperate in activities such as farming and trade in rural areas and business activities in urban areas. Relatives hope to live near each other to socialize and support each other. Families arrange marriages for their young people. Marriages between relatives such as cousins are preferred. Under Islamic law, a man may marry up to 4 wives. Following Islamic custom, most married Hausa women live in seclusion. They stay in the home and only go out for ceremonies or to seek medical treatment. When they do leave their homes, women wear veils and are often escorted by their children. From about the age of 6, Hausa children attend Quranic schools. Schools where teaching is based on the Islamic holy scripture, the Quran. They learn to recite the scriptures and learn about the practices, teachings and morals of Islam. By the time they reach adulthood, many achieve high levels of Islamic scholarship. Since Nigeria received its independence in 1960, the government has built many schools and universities. A majority of Hausa children, especially in urban areas, are now able to attend school, at least at the primary level. Hausa men are renowned for their equestrian skills. They showcase their prowess in traditional horse riding displays, celebrating their strong bond with these magical animals and their historical connection to horsemanship. Hausa architecture is a testament to the tribe's rich history and cultural influence. From the grand palaces to the bustling markets, their urban centers stand as vibrant hubs of trade, learning, and communal life. Hausa craftsmanship is revered for its intricacy and beauty, from hand-carved wooden furniture to intricate pottery and metalwork. Their traditional crafts reflect the tribe's artistic heritage and skilled artisans. Hausa music and dance are the heart of their cultural celebrations. The captivating rhythms, melodic tunes, and graceful movements express joy, unity, and storytelling, keeping the tribe's traditions alive. Hausa is the most widely spoken language in West Africa. It is spoken by an estimated 60 million people. Another 17 million people speak Hausa as a second language. Hausa is written in Arabic characters, and about 1/4 of Hausa words come from Arabic. Many Hausa can read and write Arabic. Many can also speak either French or English. Listen to the Hausa language.
Assalamu alaikum jama'a. Idan dukkanmu 'yan Najeriya mun iya magana, muna fahimtar dukkan manyan harsunanmu na kasar Najeriya, za mu samu haɗin kai da kuma cin gaba a wani.
Hausa cuisine is a tantalizing fusion of flavors, from savory dishes like suya, grilled meat, to delectable sweets like kosai, bean cakes. Their culinary traditions offer a sensory delight that reflects the diversity of the region. Join us as we continue our journey to uncover the diverse cultures of Africa. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the Hausa tribe and other remarkable African communities. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us as we delve deeper into the fascinating tapestry of cultures that make Africa so unique.